Hi, boys and girls, and welcome back. My name is Miss Stephanie. All week you have been learning about weights and scales. Today we are going to be learning about a scale, and we are actually going to build a scale together. Now over here I have a scale. Earlier this week we learned that scales help to balance things. And when one thing is heavier, it makes this side go down. And if it's lighter, this side goes up. So I bought some blocks and we're going to put them in the scale. We're going to put 2 blocks over here. And look, the scale automatically goes down because this side is heavier. There's nothing in here yet. And I'm going to put 6 blocks in the other side of the scale. Let's see which one is heavier. Yes, 6 blocks are heavier than the 2 blocks. So today we are going to make our own scale. And parents, if you're at home, when you're at home with your kids today, you can use all kinds of household items. Today we're going to be using a ruler, some blocks. But if you don't have a ruler, you can always use things found in your kitchen drawers, like a spatula or a hanger. You can hang the hanger on a doorknob and put strings on both sides and attach a cup on each side. Once you allow both of the cups to be attached to the hanger, you can put blocks in each side. Now, if it's on the doorknob, of course, this side's going to be heavier. And just imagine that we have another cup here. So there are all kinds of household items that you can use to make a scale. All right, so friends, to build our scale, we are going to use our 2 larger blocks, 1 on each side. We need to take the ruler and put it in the middle. All right. Then we are going to make these little buckets so that it can be used as measurement so that we will know which one is heavier. So to construct the little bucket, all you need is a small cup, string, and some tape. So you want to make sure that your strings are the same size. I already pre-cut my strings so that I know that all of them are the same size. So you're going to take your string and put 1 piece of tape over the string. You're going to do the same thing with the other side, but you want to make sure that they line up so that they're equal. Voila! Now we have 2 buckets, just like we did when we used our scale. So we're going to put blocks, or you can use other items that you have in your home. Like if you go outside, you can go get rocks, or if you have hair barrettes, you can put those in there to see which one is heavier or lighter. Next, and I've already did this ahead of time, parents, so what you want to do is to get a pipe cleaner, or you could use a string as well. And all I did was simply take the pipe cleaner and tied it around so that it stays equal onto the spatula. So I'm going to do this using the ruler. Alrighty. So you want to make sure that your popsicle stick is in the middle. And next what I'm going to do is take my 2 little cup buckets and I'm going to tape them on either side. And I'll show you that right here. So you're going to take one of the little buckets, and I'm just going to tape it on the top. Here we go. Pretty simple. This is really easy, and it's lots of fun. And parents and guardians, make sure that you let your kiddos help in this process. I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. I'm just going to take the little bucket, and I'm going to tape the top. Tape it to the top of the popsicle stick. This looks messy, but it's a lot of fun, I promise. So you want to try to make sure that they are pretty much equal. That looks almost equal. There we go. Now, do you start to see that there's a scale forming here? So next, I'm going to put my little homemade scale on top of my 2 blocks. And next we're going to test to see if it works. Here we go. We're going to start off just with 1 block right now because I'm kind of scared that it may fall over. But let's test it. So I've got 1 block in here. It worked! This is really cool. Parents, please let your kids do this experiment at home. This is so much fun. Here we go. And you want to hold onto the top of the ruler just so that it doesn't fall off, or you could tape it. And looky there, they are both equal. So our homemade scale is working, and this is so much fun. We're going to put 1 more block on this side, and it shows that these 2 blocks are heavier than our 1 block here. Let's try 1 more experiment. And we're going to put 1 more block on the lighter side, and let's see if they balance each other out. They absolutely do. This has been a very fun and exciting experiment. Please, parents, let your kids do this at home. You are going to love it just as much as they do. This was a lot of fun. Kids, get all kinds of items and put in your scale to see if it works. All right, this has been so much fun. Thanks.